Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're out here working on this new jet boat again, and it's got the 4.3 liter Vortec V-6 in it. Today we are going to be changing the fuel filter, and it's a water separator as well. So it's over here on the right hand side of the engine. As you're facing forward, you can see it here at the bottom. We've got the fuel line actually disconnected right now for a repair, but what we're going to be doing today is changing this white canister right here. So I picked up the new one from the boat shop, and what we're going to do, I've already loosened these top two bolts right here. Some of these you have to take the canister loose to get the bottom off, like this one. Others you can just unscrew it in place. So in this case, we have to unscrew these two bolts. So I've already done that. We'll unscrew them the rest of the way, and then we'll lift the filter up so we can get it off of there. So we're able to slide the filter off, and then we're going to unscrew it, and carefully so we don't spill the fuel that's inside. So there it is, we got the old filter off, and in normal cases you would have another hose here hooked on that goes down to your main fuel line, but in our case we've got that off for the repair. But as you can see underneath, there's a little bit of corrosion inside of this filter, so wipe that up, clean it up, and be sure not to spill this one. Then we'll pull the new filter out, and we're going to go ahead and oil very lightly this top surface here, this rubber, before we put it on. So we've got that new filter on. We'll go ahead and put it back in place. And then once it's back in place, if you need to tighten it up, just tighten it as tight as you can get it by hand. Don't get too carried away with it. You don't want to get on there and horse on it with a wrench or something. So hope that video was helpful. And remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.